name is Udaya Kumar and I'm the Technical Director of Radient Design. We are into commercial tooling and injection molding. So we are associated with STM for the last 4-5 years, and now we have about quite a good number of machines from STM. As far as commercial tooling is concerned, we have 5 VMCs, out of which one is STM VL1300. The performance is quite good, and we use it for our automotive and FMCG customers, and to build a mold for such customers. And we additionally also have injection molding machines from them, ranging from 80 ton to 160 tonnage, and the performance is quite good. And I'm really satisfied with the machines which they have provided. Apart from the performance of the machines, the service support and the kind of application support from their team is quite tremendous, and we're extremely happy. And I would recommend it any time to purchase their machines to increase their your business values and all. Thank you.